So I'm here today at Advanced Therapies in London with Thibault from Exothera. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
So to start off with, could you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your role at Exothera?
Yes, so my name is Thibault. I'm the CEO of Exothera. And I joined when the company was created now 4 years ago as an affiliate of the Universals Group.
Fantastic. And I hear that you've got some exciting news regarding nucleic acids that you'd like to share with us. Can you tell us more?
Indeed. So we have another affiliate of the Universals Group that is called Quantum, as you can see here on the background, that has launched a revolutionary technology for mRNA production. And we are going to leverage that technology.
Fantastic. And could you tell us a bit more about this technology and what benefits it could bring to pharmaceutical companies and biotechs?
Yeah, sure. So as you might know, mRNA has seen great success over the last few years. And we have seen that there was one major point that as a bioprocessing group we could work on. And that was to define an optimized process, optimized reagent mixes, so that we can really use the same process from the very early stage up to commercial manufacturing for mRNA. And we want afterwards to do the same for synthetic DNA and the formulation part.
And when it comes to working with mRNA, like what are the main challenges?
So the product has shown to have a great efficacy and to work for a certain number of vaccines and even therapeutic indications. But now really the goal was to say, okay, how can we make sure that we diminish the production time and that we diminish the cost of manufacturing these RNA products. And so that's why with this technology and by using always the same process, we hope to set a new standard out there. In fact, it will be a continuous manufacturing in the sense that it's really producing in a one-day process, technically, the RNA, which allows a very fast turnaround time and allows us also to target novel kind of therapies like personalized cancer vaccines. And so this technology, we hope has a wide variety of applications that we'll be able to test now in the coming months together with our clients who are developing these vaccines and therapies.
It sounds really exciting. And I noticed there you touched on continuous manufacturing. And obviously we're seeing a big trend in the industry at the moment. Could you elaborate a bit on continuous manufacturing and what are the challenges there and how you're hoping to address those?
Yeah. So I think here technically it's continuous per batch. And really the big advantage of this technology is that each batch is produced in the same consistent way. If you produce at very small scale or at very large scale, because it's a robotic arm that is each time taking the same reagents and performing the same steps. And the fact that it's very reproducible and standardized together with the analytics that go with it, of course, is really the big advantage of this technology. Of course, we have optimized the process so that the quality is there as well and the diminished cost, as I said. But the one hope that we have is that this will set a new benchmark in the industry for RNA production.
Great, thank you. And looking more broadly, so we're here at this conference which focuses on advanced therapies. What is your main cell and gene therapy prediction for 2024?
So for 2024, I hope that there will be a lot of new therapy approvals. That's always the most important to help the patients out there who need these therapies. If I can make one prediction, I think that we're going to see, and that's where it's interesting to us, a real crossing of the more traditional cell and gene therapy approaches, which are more based really on the cell therapy, historic programs. And now this very interesting new modality of RNA that's coming to play that will allow us to work on more gene editing, if I may say, or at least a new way to work on that. And that's what I'm really excited about for this year.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for joining me, Thibault, and have a great show.
Thank you for the opportunity.